Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Jesus, Isa, is mentioned 25 times in the Quran, and many of these discuss the miracles Allah allowed him to perform, his mother Mary, Maryam, and reinforce the notion that he and his mother are neither gods nor children of God. Here are a few facts about Jesus that are mentioned in the Quran. Jesus was born with no father. His mother Mary was chosen by Allah to give birth to a prophet of Allah, as she was known to be one of the most pious and righteous women, as she would constantly worship Allah.
قالت رب أنى يكون لي ولد ولم يمسسني بشر قال كذلك الله يخلق ما يشاء إذا قضى أمرا فإنما يقول له كن فيكون.
She, Mary, said, "My Lord, how will I have a child when no man has touched me?" The angel said, "Such is Allah, He creates what He wills." Just like Adam was created from dust with no father or mother, Jesus was created from dust with no father to assist in the procreation.
إن مثل عيسى عند الله كمثل آدم خلقه من تراب ثم قال له كن فيكون.
Indeed, the example of Jesus to Allah is like that of Adam. He created him from dust, then he said to him, "Be," and he was. Jesus was one of the best prophets sent to mankind, to spread the message of Islam and Allah. He was sent with a book known as the Gospel, Injil, similar to that of the Quran, which was written by Allah and has not been altered.
قال إني عبد الله آتاني الكتاب وجعلني نبيا.
Jesus said, "Indeed, I am the servant of Allah. He gave me the scripture and made me a prophet." From an early age Allah blessed Jesus with the ability to perform many miracles, which included curing people with illnesses, giving life to the dead and speaking from birth. So she pointed to him. They said, "How can we speak to one who is in the cradle a child?"
قال إني عبد الله آتاني الكتاب وجعلني نبيا.
He, Jesus, said, "Indeed, I am the servant of Allah.
وأبرئ الأكمه والأبرص وأحيي الموتى بإذن الله وأنبئكم بما تأكلون وما تدخرون في بيوتكم إن في ذلك لآية لكم إن كنتم مؤمنين.
I can cure the blind and the leper, and I give life to the dead, all by the permission of Allah." He never called himself a god, or referred to himself as the Son of God, as we know Allah does not have children and parents, as He does not need anyone to help Him, for He is the All-Powerful.
وَإِذْ قَالَ اللَّهُ يَا عِيسَى ابْنَ مَرْيَمَ أَأَنْتَ قُلْتَ لِلنَّاسِ اتَّخِذُونِي وَأُمِّيَ إِلَٰهَيْنِ مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ.
Allah will say, "O Jesus, son of Mary, did you say to the people, 'Take me and my mother as gods beside Allah?' He will reply, 'Exalted are you. It was not for me to say which I have no right.'" Contrary to popular belief, Jesus was never killed or crucified, but was raised to the heavens in order to return to earth to defeat the Dajjal during the day of judgment.
وَإِنَّ الَّذِينَ اخْتَلَفُوا فِيهِ لَفِي شَكٍّ مِّنْهُ ما لهم به من علم إلا اتباع الظن وما قتلوه يقينا بل رفعه الله إليه وكان الله عزيزا حكيما.
They didn't kill him nor crucify him, but so it was made to appear to them. Nay, Allah raised him to Himself. And Allah is ever exalted in might and wise.